Most people assume they can just apply and instantly get approved, but that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because qualification for cash advances is not random, it is based on your banking behavior and income stability. In this video, we are breaking down how to qualify for Varo Bank Advance in 2026, using simple, real-world steps that actually improve your approval chances. Let's start with the basic idea. Varo Advance is designed to give eligible users access to small, short-term cash advances based on their account activity. But here is what most people do not realize. There is no fixed approval guarantee. The system decides based on your financial behavior. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your eligibility is built over time, not instantly. So even if you are rejected today, your future chances can improve if your account activity becomes more stable. Let's break down what actually matters. First, consistent direct deposits. If your paycheck is regularly deposited into your Varo account, the system sees you as more reliable. For example, if Alex gets paid every 2 weeks and always uses the same account, his profile looks stronger than someone with irregular deposits. Second, account activity history. Varo looks at how long your account has been active. A newer account may have limited access at first, but as you build history, your chances of qualifying increase naturally. Now here's the problem most users face. They expect instant approval without building any banking relationship. That is not how the system works. You need to show consistent financial behavior over time. Third, balance patterns matter too. If your account is constantly near zero or frequently overdrafted, the system sees higher risk. But if Jake maintains a steady balance with regular deposits and controlled spending, his eligibility improves. Let's talk about spending behavior. Unstable spending, large unpredictable withdrawals, or gambling-like transaction patterns can reduce approval chances. The system prefers predictable financial habits. Now here's a key insight most people miss. Even if you qualify, your advance amount can change. It is not fixed. It adjusts based on your latest income activity and account stability. So qualification is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing process. In a minute, I'll explain the fastest way to improve your approval chances without waiting months, because small changes in your banking behavior can speed up eligibility significantly. Now let's get practical. To improve your chances, make sure your paycheck is deposited directly into Varo. Avoid frequently moving money between multiple accounts. Keep your account active with regular usage. And try to avoid negative balances whenever possible. But here's the deeper truth. Varo is essentially building a trust profile based on your financial habits. The more stable you appear, the higher your chances of qualifying for advance offers. Let's summarize clearly. To qualify for Varo Advance in 2026, you need consistent direct deposits, stable account activity, healthy balance patterns, and responsible spending behavior. It is all about financial stability over time, not quick approval tricks. If you follow these steps consistently, your chances of qualifying improve naturally over time. If this helped you understand how Varo Advance qualification works, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple financial breakdowns.